How to adjust the back pressure of a press brake. How to test the back pressure of a Hawe hydraulic valve. First, remove the cap. This is the pressure gauge and hose equipped on the press brake. Connect it to the hydraulic valve. At the system speed change point position, step on the foot pedal to enter the Y-axis slow down state, then adjust the valve. The measurement is 10 megapascals. Normal range is 8 to 10 megapascals. If back pressure needs to be adjusted, first loosen the nut. Use a 5mm hex key. While pressing the foot pedal and during Y-axis slow down movement, adjust the valve. Turn clockwise to increase back pressure. Turn counterclockwise to decrease back pressure. We must ensure the back pressure of both Y1 and Y2 valves is the same. After the adjustment is completed, remove the pressure gauge. How to adjust the back pressure of a Rexroth hydraulic valve. First, remove the cap. Then connect the pressure gauge. Remove the protective cover. Loosen the nut. At the system speed change point position, step on the foot pedal to enter the Y-axis slowdown state, then use a flathead screwdriver to adjust the valve. Turn clockwise to increase back pressure. Turn counterclockwise to decrease back pressure. For this press brake, adjust to 8 megapascals. Tighten the nut. Remove the pressure gauge. Install the cap to complete the adjustment. How to adjust press brake back pressure. It needs to be adjusted during the slider's slowdown process. Under normal conditions, it descends quickly first, then slowly. If you adjust back pressure in the normal state, the slowdown stroke is very short and you may not have time to adjust. We can raise the slow speed position in the system, so there is enough time to adjust the back pressure. Note that the press brake's back pressure must be adjusted during the slowdown process. Below is an introduction to how to adjust it for ESA, Delem, and Cybelec systems. ESA in semi-automatic mode, press the foot switch. First is the rapid stroke, then slow speed and finally return, but the slow speed stroke is short. Enter the editing interface. Click mute. Enter 100 mm to raise the speed change point position. This allows ample time to adjust back pressure. After pressing the foot switch, it will enter slow down earlier. Because of the additional 100 mm of stroke, this process is now slow descent. You can adjust the press brake's back pressure during the slow descent. If you don't manage to adjust during the first pedal press, it can be adjusted in multiple attempts. Remember, the back pressure must be adjusted during the slow descent process. 2 people are needed, one to press the foot pedal, the other to adjust the hydraulic valve above. In manual mode, press the foot switch. The speed change point position is 143.05 mm. This is already very close to the bottom dead center. You need to raise the speed change point position. Click mute. Change it to 43.05 mm. The speed change point is now raised. Press the foot switch. This process is now slow descent. We can now adjust the back pressure during the slow descent process. If adjustment is not completed during the first pedal press, press multiple times until adjustment is successful. Press the foot pedal. The slow stroke is very short. Enter settings. Click other menus. Click users preference. Go to the second page. Enable the offset pinch point function. Exit. You will see a small circle. If you do not change anything, pressing the foot pedal will follow the normal bending process. Enable the offset pinch point function. Enter 100 millimeters, raise the speed change point position. Press the foot pedal. This process is now slow descent. We can now adjust the back pressure during the slow descent process. If you do not finish during the first pedal press, you can press multiple times until successful. After modifying the speed change point position, pressing the foot switch will enter slow descent earlier. This is now the slow down process. We can now adjust the back pressure during the slow descent process. If you don't finish during the first pedal press, you can press multiple times until successful. Note that back pressure must be adjusted during the slow descent process.